Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a beginner-friendly push-up workout that's perfect for newcomers. Trust me, it's so simple that even a kindergartner could do it. Step 1. Start by facing down with your palms planted firmly on the ground, shoulder width apart. Keep your legs extended behind you, creating a straight line from your head to your heels. This is the classic starting position for push-ups. Next, lower yourself down in a controlled manner until your chest touches or comes closest to the ground as possible. Make sure to engage your core and keep your body in a straight line throughout the movement. From there, push yourself back up to the starting position without fully locking out your arms. Repeat this process for as many reps as you can handle within 30 seconds. Aim for 3 sets of this exercise to get started. That's it. This workout is not only easy to follow, but also incredibly effective in building strength and endurance. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up those sneakers and give this beginner-friendly push-up workout a try. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts specifically tailored to beginners. Until next time, stay fit and keep pushing.